So this is exciting. I actually received some of my brakes. I think these are gas tank straps, and I don't even know what that is. So let's go ahead and tear into this and see what we got. It's always important to have the right tool for the job. Jeez. What would we do without these? There we go. Ooh, buddy. Look at all this good stuff. I'll bring you guys a little closer. Here is our paperwork. Look at that later. We have more important things to look at. Okay, what are you? Oh, before I even go into this, let me mention, this is a, can you see me? Okay. This is a complete front disc brake conversion for my Charger. I ordered it from Summit Racing. I'll leave a link in the description below, but it converts the factory powered drums to to powered disc. And it comes with new spindles, rotors, calipers, booster, master cylinder, everything that you need to do it with. This is in this box. I'm pretty sure. Should be just one box, but let's see. Oh boy. There's our brake hoses, new bearings, caps. Yes, those are nice. There's some hardware. Oh boy. There we go. Ooh, nice. Dust shields, and it says the right stuff on it. Thank you, Right Stuff. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just bought this. Here comes the good stuff right here. Oh boy, this bag. Oh, this is heavy. There. Oh yes. Look at that. Here's our calipers. I'm pretty sure that these are just like your factory style calipers. They're just a single piston, nothing too fancy about it. You could have gotten the 4 piston, but I went with the single just because of price efficiency pretty much. And then it comes with your pads in there. Let me put these back in here, I don't want to lose it. But it comes with all the hardware and everything to do it with. Oh gosh, this box is heavy. Okay, I'm running out of Charger hood. Okay. What is this? These are the spindles. Should I open this? I'm going to do it for you guys. As my boy Junkyard Diggs likes to say, send it. Okay, let's get these open. Yes. Yes. See, this is why I wanted to do the complete kit, because it comes with like everything you need. These are the caliper brackets. It comes with all of this, so you don't have to worry about trying to like find everything that you need. You know, you just pay one price and you get it all. If it bothers you that I'm opening parts on my Charger, don't worry. I'm not going to scratch the paint. It's okay. Okay, this says these are the spindles. Oh yes, those are nice. Look at those. I'm going to take these out of the bag just for you guys, just because I'm so excited about them. Yes, and these are all stock height. They're not like drop spindles or anything. Look at that. That is beautiful. That says left side. I'm assuming that's what the L means. Now my hands are all greasy, but that was okay and it was worth it. Okay. Yes. I'm so excited about these. Gosh, these things are heavy. I think we finally have everything. I just got a new shipment. Actually, I lied. There is still more stuff coming, but that will be for the Cordoba. This is actually all the stuff for the charger that I ordered. So, what do I have? I got a lot of stuff. I'm just going to show you. Look at all these boxes. I've made a mess all over this charger. That's all from unwrapping stuff, and that's not even the stuff that I've showed you. Yes, I already unboxed some of it because I got excited. Okay, I'm sorry. But I'll open it again for you guys on camera. So let's go ahead and start with the first box. So this is the stuff that I got from PST. This is all brand new front suspension parts. So basically everything that you need, and this is all polygraphite, as you can see here. Instead of the factory rubber, I went ahead and got the upgraded polygraphite because I just figured why not. It costs a little bit extra. Let's go ahead and do it. These are my brake hardware stuff, all my springs and all the clips and everything, whatever. So got bolts, bump stops here. There's your brake line, wheel cylinders. Let me just get all the brake stuff out of here, because I'm gonna have to use all that here in a second. We have tie rod ends, ball joints, lower and upper, bushings for everything. So much good stuff here. Look at all these. I mean, I'm just so excited because I got to thinking about it, and I have brand new spindles, and it would be painful to bolt those spindles up to old suspension parts. So I figured, let's just go ahead and buy all brand new stuff. That way it'll look really nice whenever I put everything together. So yeah, there's the lower ball joint. So that's going to look really, really good. I'm going to put this back up because I'm not going to do anything with it just yet. Right now, let me go ahead and get the next box here. These are my brake shoes. I told you guys that it came with the kit. So what we got with the kit was the rear shoes. There's 4 of these here. And then hardware, wheel cylinders for each side. And then there's a brake hose, like I showed you a second ago. So 4 shoes, all the hardware and everything to do it with, and I think it was like $100. So really not that bad of a price to have everything, because like I said, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I don't know if I have all of this stuff on the other side at least. I know on the passenger side I have it all for the rear, but it's just good to go ahead and get all brand new stuff, because these plugs that go in the back for the adjuster, probably won't focus, but these are probably either missing or totally destroyed, so it's good to just, you know, get brand new ones. And all these clips and springs and everything, it's just a lot nicer to deal with brand new stuff instead of having to deal with 50-year-old whatever parts. So I'm going to keep all this out because I'm going to put that in just a second. But this is a huge unboxing video. I'm so sorry that this is like all that we've been doing in this video so far. The next box, let's go ahead and get to it. This is one that I'd already previously opened, but we'll look anyways. I got excited about this one. Look at that. Brand new booster, brand new master cylinder. And over here we have a new proportioning valve, so that'll go in too. And it comes with a bench bleeding kit and then all the fittings that you would need for brake lines and everything. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's going to be awesome. Get you a good view. I don't want to take it out of the box again because I nearly did not get it back in there. But just trust me when I say it's really good quality, at least. So there's only one box left, and it's the gas tank. I don't want to unpack that because it'll be easier to move around while it's still in the box. So that's the only thing I'm not going to unbox for you guys in this episode here. But I'll show you some stuff that came with the gas tank. We have in here, this is it's got the rubber grommet that goes around the filter deck, and there's my sending unit right here, and then the tank strap bolts, and then that's the lock ring that comes with the gas tank. So that's for the sending unit. I think that's all of it. So that will do it with the unboxing. Hopefully some of you guys enjoyed this because I really did. Thought it was a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching this. If you liked the video, leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave a comment or send me an email. It's at the very end of the video. Send in your projects as well as go buy your t-shirts and your stickers. The link is in the description below, guys. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.